Hi everyone, it's a short video tutorial on how to track global projects in landing pages, external systems, any other type of microsite that you might have. So we're going to start here in Gitbook. This is our global project standards page where you will find more information on the global project standards list and also how the solution is working. So we also have here the information how to track a global project. If we go into this page, you will find the instructions for external systems. So the idea is that we're using this template for data layer script that is going to use the same variables as we have in Planet 4, for example. So this data layer is going to help us to define the standards on the head of the page. And then we're going to use Google Tag Manager to extract these values and send to Google Analytics as custom dimensions. So we have this script, which you should replace the office name, the campaign name, which is actually the global project. So in case you're wondering, okay, what's exactly the value that I should input here, you can always go back to the global project standards and check the latest list. So you'll find this table which has the global project name and the corresponding project ID. So in this case, for example, Amazon Reef and the ID 003, we can come here, for example, 03, Amazon Reef. This is a global scope. Let's say that this is a page from Brazil. I'm also defining the local campaign name that I want to use, and the platform in this case is HubSpot. We also have the dimensions standard for some of these other variables, so you can also check here on this page dimension standards. So you would copy this data layer script and you would paste in the head of your page. It's important that the data layer script is placed before the Google Tag Manager snippet. So I'm going to show you a live example from Canada right now. So this is a page from COVID response. If we can check the page source, we'll be able to see that the data layer is placed as high on the opening of the head as possible. So we have the script here, office name Canada, the project name, COVID-19 response, the ID. And if you check here also the Google Tag Manager preview mode, we can see that we'll be able to check these values in the data layer. And if we go to the tags and we select the tag that is actually connected to the global property, in this case this one, we'll be able to see that the custom dimension number 2, which stands for global projects categorization, actually has the name COVID-19 response. So that's exactly what we want, and also some of the other custom dimensions that we're extracting here. So this is the short tutorial. If you have any questions on how the data layer script works, you can also check the implementation section on the handbook. We have a few information about data layer setup here as well. That's it. Let me know if you have any other questions or doubts. Thank you.